Hey people, Century Angel Plays 1 here, and yes, I got a new haircut, yeah, so, actually got something to unbox, and this is, recorded before 2016, so, here it is. That's right. So, let's unbox this thing. I haven't unboxed something in like a long time, so let's do it. Oh, look, the instruction manuals aren't here. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's get this card. Ah, crap, it's stuck. Yeah, with some other stuff. I know I'm damaging the box, but the thing is that I don't really care about the box. So here it is. Voila. Looks nice, doesn't it? Like the look of it. Thing is, get this out. Stuck in something. Well, looks like we'll have to fast forward stuff. If not, then, yeah. But hey, I found an antenna, so yeah. Oh yeah, this. Yeah. So, this is apparently the remains of the box. Yeah. Hey, I could still get this guy in or something like that. See? Yeah. And this is a remote control. Yeah. I'm gonna have to put batteries in there. Yeah, but, that's actually one of my Christmas presents. What I also got is this. That's right. That's right. That's right. Also got, $120. That's right, Vegeta. That $120. Oh, God. So I might get Minecraft, Xbox One Edition, and I also might get maybe Dragon Ball Z Universe or Star Wars Battlefront. I don't know. Dang it, I hate when you sneeze. Yeah, so I'm guessing that's it. Yeah. So bye people, Century, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!